I just love listening to sounds. Listen up, there's a bell, there's a roar, there's a yell. That's a duck, that's a snore. There's some feet on a floor. That quack, that roar, that rumbly snore. The clang of the bell and the feet on the floor. Wonderful sounds on the street, in the air, when you're walking around. And if you're listening up to what's going down, you can hear in your ear all the wonderful sounds. Listen up, there's a knock, there's a squeak, there's a squawk. That's a horn, that's a cat. There's a pop, what was that? That cat, that knock, that squeak, that squawk. The music when you sing and the words when you talk. Wonderful sounds on the street, in the air, when you're walking around. And if you're listening up to what's going down, you can hear in your ear all the wonderful sounds. Wonderful sounds, all of those sounds. The birds in the air and your shoes on the ground are saying, hey, listen up to what's going down. And you'll hear in your ear all the wonderful sounds.